we are going to continue the examples in the miscellaneous exercise of the mathematical logic. Here, the example number 8. Determine the truth values of the P and Q. Okay, when the given two conditions. Here, first it is a P or Q is a true and P and Q is a true. Okay, these are the very simple question. We can write the answer directly. Okay, here, see carefully. Here, there are the two cases. P or Q is true and P and Q is true. We know that in the OR, when P or Q is equal to true, there are the three cases. Okay, there are the three possibilities of the values of P and Q. Here, in the OR, truth value is true if at least one is true. That means there are the possibilities of P and Q. It is both are true, or P is true, Q is false, or it is P is false or Q is true. There are the three possibilities. So from this condition we cannot say directly the truth values of the P and Q. But in the second condition, here is a given P and Q is true, and we know that in the AND, when both are true, then the result is true. Here, when the both are statement, both statements are the true, then the truth value is true. That means in the first case there are the three possibilities, so we cannot say directly the P is true or the Q is true. There are the three possibilities. If both are the true, if P is true, Q is false, and P is false or Q is true. But in the from the second condition, it is a P and Q. P and Q is a true, and there is only one condition. When both statements are the true, then the truth value is true. That means from this first question, the truth values of the P and Q are P is true and Q is true. Here we can write directly, okay, by using this. P is true and Q is true. And here the other method, by using the truth table. Okay, see carefully. Here, like that. We know that here the two statements, therefore there are the four possible combinations of the truth values. Here P, Q, these are the two statements. Then true, 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 false, false, true, and it is false, false. Now here P or Q, P or Q, it is true, 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 and false. We know that at least one is true, then the truth value of OR, it is a true, and it is a P and Q. When both are true, then truth value is true. Now here, see carefully. P or Q is a true. P or Q is a true. There are the three cases. So we cannot say directly P is a true or Q is false. Okay, that means we cannot say directly the truth value of the P and Q. But in the second condition, P and Q, there is only one true. Therefore, we can say P is true and Q is true. Therefore, the truth value of this statement, okay, truth value of the individual statement, truth value of the P and Q, it is a true and true. Okay, the answer of the first question, truth value of P is true and Q is true. Okay, both are true. See carefully. We can write directly or this method by using the truth table. Now we see the second question. Here the second, P or Q is true. Okay, this is the same condition as the last example. And here P or Q implies Q is false. Okay, here again, here from the first condition we cannot say directly the truth value of the individual P and Q. Okay, because it is OR and there are the three possibilities of the truth value is true. If at least one of them is true, then the truth value is true. Now from the second, there is a given implication. Here P or Q implies Q. Okay, here P or Q implies Q is false, and we know that in the implication only one condition is false. First statement is true and second is false. Okay, first statement, that means the truth value of this bracket is true, and second is false, it is false. Okay, that means we know that the Q is false. Okay, here therefore this statement we can write in the way it is P or Q is false implies false, it is false. Okay, Q, it is a false. Okay, and we know that here P or Q is a true, there is a given that P or Q is a true, that means the truth value of this bracket, it is a true. Therefore Q is false, then obviously it is a true, because in the OR at least one is true, then the truth value is true, and Q is false, so the truth, for the truth value is true, it is first statement, it is a true, that is a true or false, it is a true, because it is given that P or Q, it is a true. Here true or false, it is true, that means the truth value of P is a true and truth value of Q, it is a false. Here we can write directly. Okay, or by constructing the truth table. Here it is a P, then Q. Okay, there are the four possibilities here: true, 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 false, false, true, and it is a false, false. Then find P or Q. We know that in the OR at least one is true, then truth value is true. Now we want to find this P or Q implies Q. Okay, here P or Q implies Q. First statement it is this, and the second statement it is a Q. Okay, therefore true implies true, it is true. True implies false, it is false. True implies false, it is first. True implies true, it is true, and here it is true. Okay, now there is a given P or Q implies Q, it is a false, that means it is a false, therefore we get this combination. Okay, P is true and Q is false. P is true and Q is false. We can write directly or by using this truth table. Okay, now the third example in this problem. P and Q is false and P and Q implies Q is true. Now here P and Q is a false. In AND there is only one possibility is a true, that is a both are true, then result is true. Here therefore the truth value is false, there are the three possibilities. Okay, it is at least one is false, then the conjunction is false, at least one is false. Okay, here true and false, it is false, false and true, it is false, or false, it is false. That means from this first condition we cannot say directly the truth value of P and Q. Now the second, here the P and Q is a false, here it is false. Okay, then this P and Q implies Q is true, and in implication there is only one condition is false. First statement true and second is false, it is false. But here given that it is true, that means it is given P and Q, it is a false, therefore this bracket it is a false. Okay, it is false, but we want to find the result true, that means the Q is true or false. In both cases it is a true. False implies true, it is true. False implies false, it is also true. Okay, that means from these two conditions we cannot say directly P is a true, or that means the truth value of the P and Q. From these two cases we cannot say directly the truth value of the P and Q. So here we construct the truth tables. Here P, then Q. Here true, 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 false, false, true, and it is false, false. P and Q, here it is a true, false, false, and it is false. Now P and Q implies Q. P and Q implies Q is a true. That means P and Q, it is a true, implies true, it is true. False implies false, it is true. Then false implies true is also true, and it is false implies false is again true. Okay, see carefully this. P implies Q, true implies true, it is true. Then false implies false, it is true. False implies true, it is true, and it is false implies false is again true. Okay, now here first P and Q, it is a false. That means we get the three condition. Okay, here we exclude this condition because here it is a P and Q, it is a true. We want to P and Q, it is a false. Therefore there are the three cases, and here P and Q implies Q, it is a true. Again here the common three cases in this is this. Okay, that means there are the three possibilities of the truth value of the P and Q. Okay, here the truth value of P is true and Q is false, or truth value of P is false and Q is true, or truth value of P is false and Q is also false. Okay, now there are the three possibilities of the truth value of the P and Q. Okay, here in the first case if P is true and Q is false, then P and Q is false and P and Q implies Q is true. Okay, in the second case if P is false and Q is true, then also P and Q is false and P and Q implies Q, it is a true. And the last case it is or the truth value of the P is false and Q is false, then the P and Q is false and P implies Q, sorry, P and Q implies Q, it is a true. That means the truth value of the P and Q, there are the three possibilities: P is true and Q is false, or P is false, Q is true, or P is false and Q is false. Okay, see carefully this. Okay, here in the last example we cannot say directly or exact truth value of the P and Q. First two examples we can directly, it is a P is a true, Q is false, exactly one truth value, but here there are the three possibilities. Okay, see carefully. Now we see the next example. Now the next example, using the truth table prove that the following logical equivalence. Okay, such type of the examples are already seen in our lecture number 9, that is the logical equivalence. Okay, here in the miscellaneous exercise we recall all the concepts in this chapter and see the examples as like that we already seen. Okay, here it is a P implies Q is equal to P and Q or negation P and negation Q. By using truth table we want to show that these two statements are the equal. Okay, now here there are the two statements, therefore the four possibilities. You can write it is a P, then Q, okay, here true, 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 false, false, true, and it is a false, false. Okay, there are the four possibilities. Okay, here first find the P double implies Q. Okay, here it is the LHS. In the double implication, when both are true, the result is true. Both are true, the result is true. Both are false, then it is the result is true. Okay, that means the both are same, then the truth value is true in the double implication. Okay, now then find the P and Q for the LHS. Then negation P and negation Q. So first find the negation P, negation Q. Okay. Then negation P and negation Q. And then it is a P and Q or negation P and negation Q. Okay, here. Now here we write the column numbers of these truth values. Here it is a truth value of the RHS, sorry, it is LHS, it is a true, false, false, and it is true. Now for this RHS, first find the P and Q, and in the AND, when both are true, then the result is true, and then it is false, false, and it is false. Negation P, it is a false, false, true, true. It is P. Now it is Q, true, false, then its negation, false, true, false, true. Okay, now negation P and negation Q, in AND, when both are true, then result is true. Okay, that is, it is false, 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 and it is true. Now we want to find the P and Q or negation P and negation Q. That means the column number 4 and column number 7, we want to find the OR of these two statement. Okay, here in the OR at least one is true, then the truth value is true, therefore it is true, false, false, and it is true, true, false, false, and it is true. Okay, now see carefully, here the column number 3 and column number 8 have same truth values, therefore these two statements are the logically equal. Okay, from above truth table. Column number 3 and 8 are same, and therefore P double implies Q is equal to P and Q or negation P and negation Q. Okay, here these two statements are the equal. Okay, see carefully this. Now we see the next example. P and Q implies R is equal to P implies Q implies R. Okay. Now there are the three statements, so the possible combination, 8 possible combination. Okay, here it is P, then Q, then R. Okay, here. Now first row for the column numbers. Here 1, 2, and 3. Now first P and Q, then P and Q implies R. Okay, now first find the LHS. Okay, now there are 3 statements, therefore the 8 possibilities. First 4 are true, then next 4 are the false in the true. It is P. Okay, then in the Q, 2 times true, 2 times false, 2 times true, 2 times false, and here true, false, true, false, true, false, true, and it is false. Okay. Now, these are the 8 possible combination of the truth values of the 3 statements. Now, first P and Q in the AND. When both are true, then result is true. It is true and true, true, true and true, true. It is false, 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 and false. Only the first 2 statements are the true. And all of are the false. Now, P and Q implies R. In the implication, first statement is true and second is false. First true and second is false, then the truth value is false. First statement, it is a P and Q. It is a true, implies true, it is true. True implies false, it is false. And here, all of are the true. Okay. Now, it is the LHS. Now for the RHS, first find the Q implies R. And last, P implies, Q implies R. Okay. Here 6 and it is 7. Q implies R. Q first statement and P is a second statement. Sorry, it is R is a second statement. True implies true. It is true. True implies false. It is false. Here, true implies false. First is true and second is false. Then true, 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 and true. Now it is false. First true and second is false. False, true, and it is true. Now P implies, Q implies R. P implies, it is Q implies R. Here, true, false, true, true, true. It is also true, true and true. Here, true, false, true, 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 and it is true. And from this truth table, column number 5 and 7 are the same. Therefore, these 2 statements are the equal. Okay. From above truth table, column number, it is 5 and 7 are same. And therefore, we can write P and Q implies R is equal to P implies Q implies R. Okay, here, see carefully this.